So hello and welcome. Today we are presenting a poster, Securing Workers in Pakistan, Utilizing Innovative, Groundbreaking E-Technology to Implement a Monitoring and Evaluation Regime with Performance Benchmarks. Now this is Punjab, Pakistan. We are introducing Ms. Kalsoom Sadiq, who was the Vice Commissioner for PESI, Punjab Employee Social Institution. Over to you, Ms. Kalsoom. We are going to get you to share your insights on our poster for the World Safety Congress. So I'm going to share my screen and we can see exactly what you and your counterpart, Ms. Dr. Fatima, got up to during your time at PESI. Please, over to you.
Thank you very much, Gillian, for a wonderful introduction. Good day, everybody. I am very proud and very happy to be presenting our work in Punjab Employee Social Security Institution, where we have used innovation and technology to bring change. We want to be able to serve our secured workers with the help of technology, and we also want to bring into our net all those secured workers, unsecured workers who are still not a part of the social security network in Punjab, Pakistan. So what we did, we have brought in IT-based digital platform, which is working as our central data funnel, and it will also help us to monitor through a web portal. So I will share with you a few of the features of our work, which we have done. So first, what we have done is with this digital platform, we have created a centralized hospital performance management system. It helps us to understand the kind of services that we are providing and how many people are recipients or beneficiaries of those services. It also helps us to keep improving and broadening our base of services as well as the clientele. The second thing which we have done is we have brought in an interactive web-based evaluation of our facilities. So we have prepared a very crisp and concise data management technique with which we understand what is the kind of improvement which we need to bring in as far as our health and other services are concerned. And then continuing further, we are collaborating with secured workers against to pay online contribution. This what we need to understand is that this is a system which was not previously available in Pakistan and Punjab for that matter as well. So now the contribution of secured workers, which is submitted by their employers, that can be submitted through an online system, which is completely digitized, and people sitting in even in the comfort of their home can utilize this to pay their social security contribution. Another thing which we have done is we have collaborated with GIZ and made a centralized reporting and monitoring of accident mechanism at workplace to improve working conditions. Now, this is going to work both ways. First, it will provide a better and secure environment for any secured worker, especially those who are working in tough industries and in hazardous places. So it will improve their working conditions, and at the same time, it will also ensure that we have enough health services coupled and available. So if any, God forbid, tragedy happens, we are able to cater to the needs of that secured worker, that injured worker, in a much better manner. We have also brought in an online complaint management system under our reforms agenda. So PESI Punjab is been working on a reform agenda for not only broadening the base of social security services, but also contributing to the level and to the extent of services. For example, let me say that now we are working on giving more support to our female workers to be secured. We have also brought in a mechanism where we will be registering home-based workers and domestic workers as well. So the base would be broadened, and the type of services that we provide, even their base would be broadened as well. And then we have had to do all of this, we have had a spat of consultative meetings with our stakeholders. We have brought everybody on the table. We wanted to develop a mechanism which is holistic, which is efficient, and of course, which is practical. these IT-based solutions are hopefully going to lay foundation for our evidence-based policy making. The decision makers always need some data to develop their policies on. And that data repository was missing in PESI before, but with our innovations, with the implementation of a central dashboard where the data is being live fed through many streams, we are hoping and praying that digital platform will enable us to have informed decisions. Informed decision making is very much important. It cut costs, it leads you to better efficiency and management of resources available with you. Right now, only 7 million workers are secured, and I'm hoping and praying that those 103 million, out of those 103 million people, whosoever is working in the industry gets secured as well. I give a lot of praise to GIZ, to Gillian, and to all those counterparts who have been part of the process with us. Let's hope that we can work upon it, and let's hope that we can use it to do more social security based innovations and interventions in future. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. Now I'm reeling back to Gillian. Gillian?
Thank you, Ms. Kalsoom. I think this is a fantastic example and one that other nations from around the world can also learn from. We welcome you to contact us if you have any queries, and we are very excited to share this data with you from around the world. Thank you and goodbye.